David Petrell says, what is the best cloud to learn as I am currently studying Oracle Cloud? So I'm going off my man Black Ops, Professor Black Ops told me. I'm going to tell you like he told me, which is AWS. Why AWS? I'm going to give you some real numbers here. I'm not saying not to do Oracle. You can do Oracle. That's cool. Oracle looks like they're trying to make some real big moves out here. But let's look at the cloud market, the total cloud market. Total cloud market share. Watch this. So if we look at the total cloud market share, it's going to show us who are the most dominant players in cloud. So if this thing will stop being blurry here we go. Okay. So this is as of 2022. Amazon, AWS, had 20% of the market, 34%, sorry, of the market share. 2021, Azure. 2022, sorry, same year. This is the third quarter of 2022 market share. We're going to look at other years here in a second. Google has 11%, and this has changed, by the way. This has shifted since 2022. All other total combined 25%. Now it has changed. I believe Oracle did go up in 2023, but let me see if I can find that. Okay, here's a better chart that has only the top 10. All right, so Azure still 34%. And I don't know what year this was. Oh, it's still 2022. Oracle, okay, it breaks out Oracle. So you've got Azure 21%, Google Cloud 11%. And I apologize for this being blurry here, but let me see if I can get a better image of this. And you can see at the bottom, it had Oracle at 2%. 2% of the total market now. So that's still quite a bit, David. That's still quite a bit. I mean, of world market. So they're competing with Tencent of China, Salesforce, IBM, Alibaba. Like, this is the total. So 2% of the total population of anyone who's using cloud is pretty good. And keep in mind, with cloud, with Oracle's making a move to do some giant, that Stargate program with OpenAI. So that might increase these numbers a bit. So their move into AI is about to be big. So this is the reason why I went for AWS. I went for that certification, and I passed the first one, and Azure will probably be the next one. I'm just getting my feet wet in the cloud space right here, and these are the three I'm mostly interested in. These top three players right here, and this at any time could shift. I mean, especially with the direction that the government's going. I mean, maybe Alibaba and some of these Chinese companies might make some headway since we're acting a damn fool on planet Earth. Who knows? Let me see. Great question, by the way. DOA says, please also have DeepSeek refined bullet points for you. Also have DeepSeek refined bullet points for you. Don't have to copy verbatim.